In this video, we will solve a problem on how to find, the short-term equilibrium output of a firm when we are being given the m identical competitive firms in an industry. The question is like this: there are m identical competitive firms in an industry. Okay, every firm has, total cost function is CQ is equal to Q square plus 1. So each firm has identical cost, where Q is the level of its output and Q, which is output, is greater or equal to 0. Industry demand for the product is being given by, this is the total industry demand, that is dP is equal to A minus BP, where P is the price and these parameters A and B are greater than 0. Then the short run equilibrium output of each firm is, we need to find out the output, produced or supplied by each firm in the short run. Okay, the options are 0, A upon M plus 2B, A upon M upon 2 plus B, and last option is A upon M plus B upon 2. Okay, what we are being given? We are being given, we have M, firms. Okay, and they are the identical firms, and each firm has a cost CQ. Let me write it simply: C is equal to Q square plus 1. This is the total cost of one firm. Since we have m firms, so each firm has same cost function. Also, we are being told that the market demand or industry demand for the product is being given by, so market demand, which is being denoted by dP. Let us write in place of dP for the sake of simplicity is total. So capital Q denotes total output, rather total output demanded in the industry is equal to A minus BP. Okay, so this capital Q shows us, the industry demand, and this small q shows us, the output produced by each firm. Okay, we need to find out the short-term equilibrium output in the short run, and if we have the perfect competition in short run, equilibrium occurs. Okay, in short run, in short run our equilibrium condition is that price should be equal to marginal cost. Okay, each individual firm will equate the price with its marginal cost, and marginal cost is, what is the marginal cost then? If total cost is this, then marginal cost, is simply the derivative of total cost, that means dc with respect to quantity, that is dq. So taking derivative of this total cost function with respect to q gives us the marginal cost. Okay, so derivative of q square is simply 2q, and the derivative of a constant is 0, obviously. So this is our, how did I get q square is equal to 2q? We have simply the power function rule. If we have x to the power n, its derivative is simply n becomes coefficient, we have then x, and n is subtracted by 1, and here we have q square. Okay, so its derivative is simply this q square becomes coefficient, rather this exponent becomes coefficient, then we have q and exponent is subtracted by 1, which became 2q. 2 minus 1 is 1, so we can write it like this: 2q. Okay, having said that, our marginal cost is 2q and our equilibrium condition is this. Let's apply this equilibrium condition. So P is equal to marginal cost, which implies then P is equal to 2q. Okay, price is equal to marginal cost. I have written this, so P is equal to 2q because MC is 2q. Now remember here, let us say we have, since we have m firms here, okay, and output produced by each individual firm should be equal to total market demand or total output produced by m firms. Okay, so let's try to interpret this very relationship. M denotes the total number of firms, and Q denotes the output supplied by each firm. So a number of firms into output of each firm should be equal to the total output. Okay, so M is our number of firms, which is being given as number of firms, and Q denotes output supplied by each firm, output of each firm, it should be equal to total output, okay, or market, industry demand, whatever you say. So let us say market output, market. Okay, so simple, if we have, let us say 10 firms, and each firm is supplying let us say 2 units, then market output will be equal to 10 into 2, that is equal to 20. Okay, simple relationship, there is nothing to be to get confused here. Having said that, that means hey yetset what the top. So let me write it here then. So we have M as it is, we have Q is equal to, now what is Q? Q is equal to A minus BP. A minus B. Now what is P? P have we have calculated the value of P here. So just plug this P here, its value. So P is equal to 2Q. So in place of P, I can write 2Q. Okay. So we have M Q. So is equal to A minus 2B Q, or I can simply write it like this: MQ, transposing this minus 2BQ, it will become plus 2BQ should be equal to A, which gives us now taking Q common. So if we take Q common, we are left with M plus twice B should be equal to A, which gives us Q, which is the equilibrium output of each firm, will be equal to A. Now transposing this term on RHS, it will get divided. So we have M plus 2B. Okay, that means the short run equilibrium output of each firm is is equal to A upon M plus 2B. That means each firm in this market will supply this very amount of output. For more videos on mathematical economics, please subscribe this channel, like, comment and share also. Thank you.